Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Yuvan's Tech Tutorial. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to fix WhatsApp message not sent problem. So to get started, first you need to go to the settings on your device and then scroll down and find out the apps. Tap on it and now tap on app management. On this page, you need to wait for a second to get all the applications. You can either scroll down and find out the WhatsApp, or else if you are not finding in this way, then on the top you will find out the search bar. Tap on that and now you need to type in WhatsApp. Here is the WhatsApp application that has been appeared. Tap on WhatsApp. This will let you enter in the app info page of WhatsApp. Here you need to tap on storage uses and tap on clear all the cache. To clear the caches of the WhatsApp, don't tap on clear data, otherwise all your data of WhatsApp will be removed and deleted. Go back to the same app info page of WhatsApp and now tap on manage notification. Make sure it is toggle on. Go back to the app info page again and tap on permissions. Make sure you have allowed all the apps permission of the WhatsApp. Once you have done this, your problem will be resolved. If your problem has not been resolved yet, then you need to go to the Play Store on your device or any app store that is available. Now you need to search WhatsApp on the search bar of Play Store. And if there is any update button on the WhatsApp Messenger, then you can simply tap on the update and update the application, because box might be creating the problem of WhatsApp message not sent. So doing so, if your problem has been solved, then hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell to never miss an upcoming videos on our channel. Doing so, if that also did not solve the problem, then at the last you need to restart your mobile device, because on your device there may be error. So after doing so, your problem will be automatically resolved. Thank you.